wonder.
Hey butterflies, today we're going to be transforming this olive oversized t-shirt. The first thing I'm going to do is remove this pocket because I do not need it. Now I'm taking an off the shoulder shirt that fits me well, and I'm just going to trace around it on the shirt and make sure I have room for seam allowance. Now I'm taking a skirt that fits me well and meeting it at the line where my shirt is just to get as much fabric as I can. This shirt was not super long and I'm tall. Now I'm just cutting across that line where each piece meets, and I'm going to start off by cutting out the skirt first. Once I do that, I lay them right sides together, pin down the sides, and do a straight stitch down. To hem the top, I used the fold over method, and now I'm just going to do a straight stitch all the way around. Back to the top, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. And once I cut it out, I'm going to also pin it right sides together just like the skirt and do a straight stitch all around. Using the fold over method, I'm going to go ahead and fold under the raw seams and do a straight stitch at the bottom of the shirt. And once I do that, guess what? We're done. Alright butterflies, these are my results. I think this is so cute. I feel like I can wear this to the pool, to a barbecue. The material is very lightweight, so I don't have to worry about being too hot in this Georgia heat, okay? And I can pair this with some cute sandals, black, tan, brown, even white Vans, or if you're like me and you just buy those cute little white shoes from Target, you can wear with those. So I think this is a very like simple, you know, off the shoulder two-piece. I love the color olive. I love to wear the color olive. I feel like it looks good on my skin tone, which you guys see that. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because you know you enjoyed it, and go ahead and subscribe if you're new to my channel so you can keep up with more videos like this and your vitamin E. That is me. Bye butterflies.